Welcome to Ambient Autism Hours with Trash Sound Design. Today we're making nostalgic lo-fi blogspot era ambient samples using free plugins. Starting off, this is the list of the plugins we'll be using today. All of them are either free or stock. 2 instances of free X-oscillator, spectralsand, any type of reverb with a dry-wet function, any type of delay, 2 tape 7 by Air Windows. Starting off with the free X-oscillator, we need 3 sound waves. The first ones are slightly detuned, but just a few cents. We also need some attack on the envelope. Here's the chord progression. Just play around with minor 11th and 7th chords to get this nostalgic, sunburnt type of sound. Now for the lead, I'm using the triangle wave with a healthy amount of attack. I'm just following the chord notes. That was easy. Now it's time for the effect chain. As you can see, there's quite a bit of automation going on. Let's start off with the spectralsand. The oscillator is set to square. Offset at around 30% and the bin size is set to 128. I'm automating the time slider, which delays each bin, and the frequency slider at more or less around the same time, which creates a sense of movement to our sample. Now the next thing we need is the reverb wet automation. You want to have the wet signal slider going up and down at key moments, creating a sense of rhythm. For now it doesn't sound that good, but the delay will tie it all together nicely. Now add your favorite delay. As you can hear, these reverb wet signal jumps suddenly started making sense. Now to wrap up the effect chain, we're using 2 tape 7. Add a fair amount of flutter, some tape drive, and you're done. For the additional raw haunted lo-fi effect, you can of course slow it down. And that's it for the sample, but if you've made it this far and put in the effort to recreate this chain, might as well see what it sounds like with drums. Or with vocals. Test out various sounds, see what works and what doesn't, have fun and experiment. If anyone's interested, there's a link to the newest tracks that I try to drop weekly in the pinned comments. Thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, let me know what you'd like to see next.